Good afternoon, everyone. So this is the last video lesson. I'll just quickly give you an idea of what we're going to talk about. So previously, yung first video lesson natin, natapos tayo sa pag-describe ng domain and range ng 6 different circular functions. Sa letter B naman, natutuhan natin paano kumuha ng amplitude at period at paano tayo mag-interpret ng phase shift ng graph, di ba? Yung shrinking vertically, no? Stretching horizontally, and so on. Natutuhan nyo yan. Paano mag-compute ng amplitude? Kinukuha lang yung absolute value, no, ng A. At paano naman kunin ng period? Kinukuha lang natin yung B, no, by dividing yung 2 pi sa ating absolute value ng B. So ngayon naman, i-apply na natin yung natutuhan natin by solving situational problems involving circular functions. So ito yung mga yan. So for our problem 1, alam nyo ba na kayang mag-solve ng trigonometric functions ng ganito? So for example, a floating dock on the coast measures the depth in meters of the water below it. It follows the equation d of t is plus 7.2. For t in hours is the time after midnight. What is the depth of water at midnight? 8 o'clock a.m. and at 2:40 a.m. So, itong mga sinusoidal function na ito, no, ay inimbento ng mga scientists natin, no, to determine yung depth ng water. Especially sa coastal areas natin, meron tayo mga tinatawag na tidal waves, no? Di ba? Meron tayong high tide, meron tayong low tide. So, scientists were able to devise a formula using the cosine function kung saan malalaman natin yung depth ng water, no? Kung gaano kalalim yung ating high tide or low tide in a particular time, no? So, kinakount natin yung time na yon after midnight. So, kapag midnight, it means our time is 0. Kapag naman 8 a.m., it means lumipas na siya after midnight. So, that is total of 8 hours. And kapag 2:40 a.m., so almost 2 hours and 40 minutes yung nakalipas. So, this is just a substitution technique. Kapag nagsosolve kayo using this problem solving, kailangan naka-radian measure yung inyong calculator. So, ganyan yung itsura ng ating floating dock along the coastal area. So, una, isolve natin yung depth ng water at 12 midnight. So, ang depth ng water natin at 12 midnight is 0 hour. Ang depth naman ng water natin after 8 a.m. is 8 hours na yung nakalipas. And if we have 2 hours and 40 minutes naman kapag 2:40 a.m. Pero kailangan natin i-convert yung 40 minutes. So magiging siyang approximately 0.67 hours. So in short, isolve natin isa-isa gamit ang inyong calculator in radian mode. So again, kailangan dapat naka-radian mode kayo using the Gupsa technique. No? D of t is unknown. D of t is equal to formula natin 2.4 cosine pi t over 8 plus 7.2. Yan. S of A natin is solution and answer. Substitute lang yung value when it is midnight. So there's D of 0. So the answer will be 9.6 meters. Substitute lang. D of 8, i-substitute lang yung t is equal to 8. No? So magiging 4.8 meters. At sa C naman natin, D of 2.67. So that is 8.4 meters. For sure, alam na alam yung i-encode sa calculator yan. Kailangan lang naka-radian measure siya. Notice na at 12 midnight, 9.6 meters siya. Pero at 8 o'clock a.m., nag-low tide tayo. No? 4.8 meters. The reason behind this is kapag midnight, nandun pa yung gravitational pull ng moon. No? Kaya mataas pa yung water level. So kapag nakatapat yung moon sa Earth's sa may view natin, it means high tide. Pero kapag papalayo na naman yung moon, so bumababa yung gravitational pull, kaya mas mababa yung tide, no? And tingnan nyo tong 2:40 AM, no? Mataas pa yung water level kasi madaling araw pa yan, no? 8.4 meters pa yung depth ng water. For problem number 2, the same lang. Meron tayong given sinusoidal function, 4.3 sine 55t over 6 plus 10.82. So same lang din yung gagawin natin. Gusto nating malaman yung water level, no, at every 3 hours, starting from 12 midnight to 12 noon. So syempre, yung mga time natin is 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, hanggang 12 noon, which is 12 hours. Ang D of T natin, no, ang hinahanap, syempre yung formula natin is yung given na sinusoidal function. And then, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng T when it's 3, 6, 9, and 12 respectively. Start tayo kay D of T. So the answer is, encode lang sa calculator yan. Ang makukuha natin ay 15.12. So, ano pa dyan? High tide pa. After 6 hours, 6 AM na, ibig sabihin, bumaba na naman yung water level. At 9 AM, syempre, lalong bababa yung water level. Kasi nga, mahina na yung pull ng moon's gravity, no? Gravitational pull. And at 12 naman, noon, pabalik na ulit yung water level. Kapag tinry nyo yan sa D of 15, babalik tayo sa 15.12 meters. So it means at 3 p.m., no, dahil paggabi na ulit, tumataas na ulit yung water level. So pa-high tide na naman sa hapon. Bukod dyan, sa mga situational problems na yan, no, kaya din niyang mag-solve ng mga problems involving riding a halimbawa, Ferris wheel, no? Just like the Pampanga Eye. So suppose sasakay kayo sa Pampanga Eye, no? At ang function na ano natin is negative 10 cosine pi t over 16. Gusto nyong malaman yung approximate height nyo above the ground. So kayang isolve yan ng ating problem number 3. So, need daw nating alamin kung ano yung magiging height ninyo above the ground after 150 seconds and after 5 minutes. Solve natin. So, yung T sa buwan natin ay 150 seconds. No, in seconds tayo. Ang T sub 2 natin ay 5 minutes. Kaya lang, need natin siya gawing seconds. So, i-convert natin by multiplying 60 seconds over 1 minute. So, there will be 300 seconds. So, yun na yung bago natin T sub 2. So, meron tayong dalawang time. So, ang unknown natin ay D of T. Gagamitin natin yung sinusoidal function na negative 10 cosine pi t over 16. For the solution, D of 150. So, we have negative 10 cosine pi times 150 over 16. Gamitin lang ang ating calculator in radian mode. So, magiging answer is 3.83 meters. So, dito, ibig sabihin, mababa pa yung position ng inyong cabin. Wala pa sa mataas na height. Pero after 5 minutes, nasaan na kaya yung cabin ninyo? So, at D is equal to 300 seconds. So, that is 7.07 meters. So, imagine niyo yun, 7 meter sticks. No? So, ibig sabihin, after 5 minutes, nasa bandang tuktok na kayo ng Pampanga. Malapit na kayo sa tuktok. So, ganun kagaling ang mga situational problems involving trigonometric functions. So, did you learn something? So, yan. Ang next topic natin is trigonometric identities, and for sure, magugustuhan nyo itong mga identities na to kasi meron tayong 46 identities na i-discuss sa inyo ni Sir Peter at ni Ma'am Rachel. Good day and God bless.